Hey everyone, I'm Christine, senior artist at Century City here in Los Angeles, and today I'm here to show you my morning skincare routine. This is what I like to do before my makeup. I have combination skin, and I've been focusing a lot on brightening my skin, post-acne scarring, and hyperpigmentation. So yeah, let's get started, and I'll see you guys after. My first product that I'm going to use is by Kate Somerville. This is the Exfoliate Cleanser Daily Foaming Wash. I like to use this in the morning because it has a blend of glycolic and lactic acid, and it's full of pumpkin, papaya, and pineapple enzymes, which is going to help purify my skin without over drying it. I will use a quarter size amount. So what I do first is I'll wet my face, and then I will rub my hands together until it turns to a foam, and then all over my face. So I'm going to use the Boscia Cognac Cleansing Sponge with bamboo charcoal. This is a really awesome tool to use just to further cleanse my skin. It's made with 100% organic cognac root, and it's infused with bamboo charcoal, which is going to exfoliate and help with my pores. And then, of course, when you're at home, you can rinse off in front of a sink, but I'm just going to use a wet towel, and I'm just gonna gently wipe this all away. You don't want to be too rough on your skin, so the lightest pressure possible is key. Now that I'm done cleansing, I'm going to pat my face dry, and I'm going to move on to my next step. All right, so this is a hero product of mine at the moment. This is Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. I really like this because it's one product and 8 benefits. It's really going to help soften my skin. It's anti-pollution. It's going to allow my serum to travel deep into my skin. It's just going to make everything work more effectively. All right, so now I'm going to use a Sephora Collection Eye Mask Cucumber, which this is great for anti-puffiness. What you want to do is peel that bad boy open, and you'll apply one eye at a time. Now it is protected with a film, so you'll want to grab the fiber mask and then apply one at a time, smooth out any of the wrinkles, and then let it sit for about 15 minutes. It feels so good, you guys. It's so cooling as soon as you put it on. It's going to instantly depuff, and you can, brush your teeth or have some coffee while you wait for the serum to settle in. So I don't do this every morning. I will honestly just do these on the days that I wake up and I notice that my eyes are extremely puffy. It's allergy season right now, and I am in the thick of it. So today was a perfect day to showcase these eye masks. So once your 15 minutes are up, just gently remove them and toss them. And what you want to do is you want to rub in and just tap that serum into your eyes there. Allow that to soak in before applying your actual eye cream. Now I'm going to apply Milk Makeup Watermelon Brightening Serum. I really want to focus on my dark spots, which are really mainly from, post-acne scarring. My skin tends to get hyperpigmentation really easily. So I've been using a lot of products that are going to help brighten my skin, help with pores. My mom always told me, the best makeup that anyone can ever wear is skincare. So I really am investing into my skin. So once you apply it all over the face, you just want to tap, tap, tap that in. So now I'm going in with Kiehl's Since 1851 Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. I find that this is a thicker formulation, so best practice is to apply it on the eyes, and then you want to tap and then smooth. The avocado oil won't actually travel up to your eye, so it works great underneath makeup. So I'm actually going to mix 2 products for a moisturizer. First, I'm going to start with Kiehl's Since 1851 Ultra Facial Cream. And then I'm going to mix in a pump of Drunk Elephant D Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Serum. Love these 2 together, especially during summer. The Drunk Elephant product's actually newer, and it makes me so bronzy and so glowy. I love that it's anti-pollution as well. I find that the combination of these 2 is a perfect prep for makeup. So I'll just apply both products on the back of my hand, mix them together, and then I'll go straight to the face, making sure that it is rubbed in and there's no streaks at all. Now, I can walk out my door like this because, again, as you can see, it really does give me nice glow, or I can pop on a little bit of concealer and foundation for a fuller coverage. And I can't forget about my lips. I'm going in with Drunk Elephant Lippy Balm. This feels so good. I love the packaging. It's so small. You can fit it anywhere, your pocket, your purse, your backpack, wherever. It just hydrates my lips all day long. So it actually will help plump up the appearance of my lips. And last but not least, before walking out the door, I always have to have sunscreen on. This is Drunk Elephant Umbra Tint Physical Daily Defense Broad Spectrum Sunscreen with SPF 30. I love that this has a little bit of a tint to it, especially being a physical sunscreen. I just apply a pea-sized amount, starting in the center of my face and making sure I really do rub that into my skin because I want ultimate sun protection. So you don't want to forget your neck. So bring it down and you want to apply in upward sweeping motions. And I'm all ready for the rest of my day. Okay, everyone, so that was my morning skincare routine. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any suggestions on maybe what I can switch up or new products to try out, definitely drop some comments below. I'll be checking them. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to follow me on any of my social media, my name is Christine Natalia, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.